Hi, I'm Crystal, and I want to ask you something that might hit close to home. Have you ever felt like your body just isn't working with you anymore? Maybe it's your energy levels, your mood, or those changes that no one really talks about but you can't ignore? I get it. It's frustrating, even overwhelming at times. And if you're like me, you've probably tried to just push through, hoping things would get better on their own. But here's the truth. You don't have to settle for feeling less than your best. That's why I'm so excited to share something truly life-changing with you, FemiPro. This isn't just another supplement. It's a comprehensive solution designed to help you regain your vitality, balance, and confidence from the inside out. Let's talk about the real struggles that women face as we navigate through life. Have you noticed that your energy isn't what it used to be, no matter how much you rest? Are mood swings, bloating, or other uncomfortable symptoms making it harder to enjoy your daily life? Or maybe you felt like your body is out of sync, like no matter what you do, it just doesn't feel right. You're not alone. The truth is, so many of these issues are tied to our hormones, metabolism, and overall balance. And unfortunately, modern life, stress, poor diets, environmental toxins only makes it worse. But what if I told you there's a way to restore that balance and take back control of your well-being? That's exactly what FemiPro was designed to do. So what exactly is FemiPro? It's an advanced formula created specifically for women, combining powerful natural ingredients that work together to support your body's unique needs. Here's how it works. Hormonal support. FemiPro helps balance your hormones naturally, addressing those mood swings, energy dips, and other symptoms that hold you back. Metabolic boost. Struggling with weight management? This formula supports a healthy metabolism, making it easier to shed stubborn pounds and feel lighter. Energy and vitality. No more dragging through the day. With FemiPro, you'll feel refreshed, energized, and ready to take on whatever comes your way. Overall wellness. From improved digestion to better sleep, FemiPro helps your body function at its best so you can feel confident and in control. And the best part? FemiPro is made with high-quality, natural ingredients that are safe and effective. It's easy to take, and it fits seamlessly into your daily routine. Here's why so many women are choosing FemiPro. Feel balanced. Again, it addresses the root causes of hormonal imbalances, helping you feel more like yourself. Boost confidence. With better energy, a healthier metabolism, and fewer symptoms, you'll feel unstoppable. Natural and safe. No harsh chemicals, no artificial fillers, just pure, effective ingredients. Easy and convenient. Taking FemiPro takes less than a minute a day, but the benefits can last a lifetime. Imagine waking up every morning with energy, clarity, and a body that feels in harmony. That's what FemiPro can help you achieve. Now let me ask you this. What happens if you don't take action today? The uncomfortable symptoms don't just disappear on their own. The fatigue, the weight struggles, the mood swings, they stick around, and sometimes they even get worse. And honestly, you deserve so much more than that. I know how easy it is to put your own needs on the back burner, but let me remind you of something important. When you feel your best, everything in your life improves. Your relationships, your work, your happiness, it all starts with taking care of you. That's why I'm so passionate about FemiPro. I've seen firsthand how it can transform lives, and I want that for you too. Now, I get it. You might be wondering, what if this doesn't work for me? That's the best part. FemiPro comes with a 100% satisfaction guarantee. Try it for a full 90 days. If you don't feel the difference, if your energy, mood, or overall wellness doesn't improve, you can get a full refund, no questions asked. There's zero risk, but there's so much to gain. Here's what I recommend. Get the 3 or 6 bottle package. Why? Because this isn't about a quick fix, it's about creating lasting change. And with the multi-bottle packages, you'll save money, enjoy free shipping, and have enough supply to experience the full benefits of FemiPro. Click the link below to secure your order now. Don't wait. Your health and happiness are worth it. Life is too short to feel anything less than amazing. With FemiPro, you have the chance to reclaim your energy, balance, and confidence. Take that first step today, because you deserve to feel your absolute best.